My son has dolls that are anatomically correct. 3 books on how babies are made, and a video called Your Body is Your Friend. The only sex education we got was National Geographic during Tribal Week. Oh, and the time Aunt Edna had a few too many of her special drinks and decided to sunbathe in the nude. Scarred us for years. And she was banned from the public pool for life. I mean, everything today has sexual innuendo in it. Back when I was a kid, the only exposure we had to sex was, well, when we let Buster, our basset hound, loose in a room full of stuffed animals. My stuffed Snoopy never looked me in the eye again.